Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time on an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an Instagram account, a Facebook account, as well as a Facebook like page, iPhone, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Let's just go to Instagram. Make sure you are signed into the Instagram account. Let's just also go to Facebook. Make sure you're signed into your Facebook account and on the Facebook like page. So let's just go back to Instagram. Share photos or videos. Let's just create a post. I have a photo that I already took 5 minutes before this recording of the tutorial. Go to next. We can change the filter if we require to. Let's just type a caption. Hashtag computer science videos. My MacBook Pro and Wi-Fi USB connector. And now here's the way to post to your Facebook like page. Go all the way to the bottom of the screen where we have Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Click on Computer Science Videos, and this will now automatically share to your Facebook page also. Click on Share. The photo has now been posted to the Instagram account. Go to your Facebook like page, refresh a couple of times. And there we see the photo on screen, posted by IG, Computer Science Videos, also posted to the Facebook page. Let's now go to the computer, go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari. Go to Instagram, make sure you are signed into the account. There is a photo we just posted now. Open up a new tab, go to your Facebook like page. And there we see the photo that was automatically posted to Computer Science Videos after we linked the Facebook page with Instagram, created a professional account in the previous tutorials. So we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.